This is a syringe. Its purpose? To extract blood for investigation and to inject medicine in your bloodstream. And what I'm about to tell you will shock you. The first ever definition of a syringe was codified by a Muslim. His name? Abul Qasim al-Zahrawi. And he went on to design 200 plus surgical equipments, many of which are still used today, 1,000 years later, and we don't get a sniff about it. Why? Because in Europe, he's called Abul Qasim, not a Zahrawi, thereby cutting the entire Islamic heritage. So you and I will never be able to connect with him. And likewise, they Latinized every single name of our ancestors, hiding their achievements behind their changed name. And just like that, Europe took all the credit about the Golden Age of Islam. But this book, Golden Age of Islam, what it was and why it matters, dismantles that and uncovers all those achievements so you and I can learn about our ancestors and know how the world came to us for answers. When we look at our youth, they feel lost, dejected, uninterested, and demotivated. And today the world mocks us in our entire religion. But all of that can change. You can change that by learning about our ancestral achievements and their legacy. Something as simple as washing hands before surgery was proposed by a Muslim physician called Ibn Sina in his book, The Canon of Medicine. Something as big as gravity was talked about first by Al-Bayruni. My beloved young generation, get your inspiration from them, from where it matters the most, from our Golden Age of Islam. Enlighten yourself, your brothers, your sisters, even your parents. This book, The Golden Age of Islam, What It Was and Why It Matters, has 19 chapters, and every chapter is an absolute ocean of knowledge that you will be proud to know. From history, geography, astronomy, mathematics, even chemistry, Islamic Golden Age has its imprints everywhere. Get the book from the button below and begin your journey towards your enlightenment.